All right, back again, AUDCAD. So this was post analysis 50. This is post analysis 53. Let's jump into it. This is November 25th. Yeah, beginning of the week. I think it's Tuesday on this. So I took a trade last week down here. Went wrong and realized, hey, this is a bigger picture. I took it on lower time frames. I'm on the 4-hour over here. So I took it on lower time frames, and Rosario helped me realize, hey, this push, this monster came down from here, and it was just like one push. He never got a discount, right? And I was trying to trade down in these areas with no discount, no good, right? So it came back, and I remember that. So I'm familiar with this pair. Big, huge move down, right? So familiar with that pair. And I see this coming in, looks like, okay, this was my trade, no good in lower time frames. All right, we got a discount coming in right here. This is about 50%. Slam down with volume. I said, okay, that's awesome. So I'm already familiar with this pair. We had this big push down. Tried to make lower lows, barely really could. And what is this? This looks like a set 2 coming in. Okay, set 2, where's my area of interest? This guy potentially made lower lows. So my area of interest starts really anywhere right here. So anywhere up here can be the area of interest where this set 2 guy can come, this seller can come and slam it down. All right, so with all that said, the 4 hours is I'm reading these pullbacks, right? I'm reading these pullbacks, reading this slam down. Okay, set 2's coming in, set 2's coming in. If I jump up to the daily, the daily, I can't really read it, right? It's just down and up. So daily's big boy, 4 hour is trading time frame. And I'm reading this, but this is the area of interest, and I see it rolling over, and I want to see what's happening up here because we're getting near these prices again. We're already in this area of interest with the buyers coming. Nobody knew to buy this, right? So logic says nobody knew to buy this. Okay, it's going to slow down. Now the buyers are stepping in technically. So like really the area of interest is above here. So nobody bought this. So really this is more the area of interest because now we officially have buyers. So at any point we have buyers and we're up in this zone, it can get slammed down. And that's what I'm going off of. So to read this better, because I can't see what this is, there's definitely some stuff going on up here. I'm down on the 1 hour now. And that would be over here. All right, so on the 1 hour, real plainly, like I said, nobody bought this. This is the area of interest, but nobody bought this yet because it's too fast. As it rolls over, now we have our official buyers. Everybody's buying this. This guy and the bigger boy over there, this monster, is saying, okay, anytime now. And what I was looking on the hourly was this aggressive move here, this hold. This looks like a guy who started on the 1 hour. Now, yes, I know the guy who started is down here on the 4 hour. So that's an area. See, I have this marked for that, just to keep an eye on that. That was kind of my targets as this. We had try, swoop, hold, FOMO. And as this is coming in right around New York Open, big, huge dash. Took out anybody who thought that they were selling this early. They're going to get in, get the early best price they can. These guys on this FOMO right here didn't even have to really go down a lower time frame. Now on this dash as it was going, I did go lower time frame. So let's do that. All right, so over here on the 15, I need to remember this trade because I feel this was a pretty good entry, and what I've been doing is on the dashes going too low a time frame and trying to get the best price. So haven't been waiting for it to roll over. So on this one, on the 15, we have the guy who started. I'm trying to think on the hourly. I said this was my last guy who started right here because he went higher, held up here, and then swooped. We did a lot of negotiation, a lot of holding negotiation. This could almost look like a FOMO. But this, as it goes back and then it's running away, people are chase. and this comes back pretty aggressively right before New York and some news, I believe, and it starts to roll over, and as it's leaving, I slam the entry, as Rosario loves to say. Stops a little tight, could have put them a little higher right above, but really that puts where my stops were is pretty much above the V on this too, so it's kind of like a double, but it came back and got everybody that had their stops early above there. Even came back and hit him one more time, a little two-timer, and then started to go, caught it, and the speed that it was going kept me in, and I got out right here for, it's like 2.5 R. So super happy, and then I did what I seem to always do, say, well, I done made 2.5 R, I'm doing good, I can do this shit, I'm the man, I got this. Like Rosario says, Ferrari, castle, all that good stuff. I already got my princess, so I just need the Ferrari and castle. Bam, bam, and for whatever reason, I thought this was pulling back. I thought it was, we had this sharp reversal, this push down, and I lost my mind again and hit an entry way the hell down here, thinking it was holding it below and was going to go even further, crash. Yeah, obviously down here, I wanted to go down to there like a set one, set two. So I believe what I need to do is just take the first one. Just if I miss it, I need to let it go for one. So I've done this where I miss trades, and then revenge trade where I take good trades and then I want to take more off of it and get greedy. So now the ones that I get in and stop me out and then they look like they're rolling over again, I've had success in just, I was too early and got back in. So I've had success with that. But I think what I'm going to do is very much watch if I have a nice successful trade. This is one of the best trades I've ever taken, actually. Just leave that. Just leave it and not have another loss right behind it. And if I miss them, if I miss a trade, just let it be missed. Don't try to get in again later with multiple losses. So definitely some things to work on. So happy with this one, but not happy.